Hi guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat something went wrong. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, now you have to choose Snapchat right here and then click on force stop. When you click on force stop, all the app is going to be stopped. And then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. After that, go back and then click on the data usage right here and disable the roaming data and make sure to enable all those three options here as you can see. After that, go back to the home page, and now the last thing you want to do is update your Snapchat in the Play Store, and if you have iPhone you can update it in the App Store. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.